Hi everyone, I'm Kanika. Welcome to my channel Value Investing with Kanika. Today I'm going to do the stock analysis of Indigo Paints. So I'll be discussing the industrial growth, company's business, fundamental analysis, and the technical chart pattern. So let's start. For the technical chart pattern, let's go to tradingview.com. So this is the chart of Indigo Paints. Let me first remove the drawings. Okay. So as you can see here, the stock was listed in February 2021 and it made a high of around 3300, 3327. Okay. So let me just draw a line here. So this is the lifetime high price of Indigo Paints. Now, the stock is currently trading at its lifetime low. On April 7, 2025, the stock made a lifetime low of around 900 here. Okay. The stock has been trading in a range and it's being resisted at the same level as you can see here around 1725. This is a strong resistance. This is the resistance. So the stock has been resisted at same level at multiple times. So it's been consolidating here since March 2022. It's been almost 3 years now. Okay. So let's figure out whether the company's financials, business growth support this low price or not. So first I'll be doing the industrial analysis. So here you can see Indian paint industry growth rate. The Indian paint industry is projected to grow significantly with a CAGR of approximately 9.38% to 15% between 2024 to 2029. This growth is driven by factors like increasing urbanization, rising income levels, and infrastructure development. Okay. Now see, paints are used not only in housing. Let's try to understand this first. Okay. So paints are used not just for the housing purposes. Paints are used in infrastructure on roads because paints are used for coating purposes, coating of the surfaces to protect any corrosion, for environmental factors, and for decorative purposes as well. So they are used for infrastructure, real estate purposes, offices, buildings, companies, and they are used in automobile industry as well. Okay. So the demand for paint industry has been increasing, driven by various sectors like the infrastructure, real estate, as we have seen, and the market size for this growth. You can see here the Indian paints and coating market is estimated to be $10.46 billion in 2025, and it's projected to reach $15 billion by 2029 with a growth rate of 9.38%. The market is dominated by a few large players, Asian Paints, Berger Paints, Kansai, etc. But new entrants are also emerging. Okay. Few challenges are like fluctuating raw material prices can impact the profitability, increased competition from both new and established players. That puts pressure on the margins, need for innovation and adaptation. If we look at Indigo Paints business, let's go to screener.com. Here you can see Indigo Paints. It was incorporated in 2000 and Indigo Paints manufactures and sells decorative paints. It is the first company to introduce category creator products like metallic emulsions, tile coat emulsions in the decorative paint market in India. Their product portfolio includes emulsions, enamels, wood coatings, primers, distempers, cement, paints, putties, etc. They have a very strong distribution network. They are expanding their distribution network largely in Tier 3 and 4 cities and fastly growing Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Okay. They have already established 5 manufacturing units with an installed liquid-based capacity of 160,000 kiloliter per annum, and they are expanding with 2 new plants under construction. One water-based paint plant with capacity of 90,000 kiloliter per annum capacity, and the other one a solvent-based paint plant with 12,000 kiloliter per annum at Jodhpur, which is expected to be operational during 2025. In September 2023, the company acquired 51% of Apple Chemi India Limited to follow into the construction chemicals and waterproofing segments business. Now, Apple Chemi deals in B2B, whereas Indigo Paints deals with B2C, retail customers. So, since its acquisition, Apple Chemi has grown over by 24%. Brand expenditure in financial year 2024, the company spent around 93 crores on advertisement and promotional expenses, and they are planning in financial year 2025 and beyond, they are planning to increase that stake as well. They spend heavily on the branding and promotional activities. As you can see on the website of Indigo Paints, MS Dhoni, he is a brand ambassador for Indigo Paints. Okay. For financial year 2025, the company expects to grow its revenue at 3 to 4 times of industrial growth. Let's understand the financials. The company's market capitalization is approximately 5,000 crores. Okay. If we do the peer comparison, the major giants in paint industry, Asian Paints, Bergem Paints, Kansai and Nerolac, as you can see, the market cap of Asian Paints is 2,36,921 crores. If you look at Asian Paints chart, see, the market cap of Asian Paints is almost 47 times of Indigo Paints. Indigo Paints is a small cap company. And if you see the chart, here I have already marked it. In the last 20 years, since 2005, the stock price has risen by almost 110%. See, Asian Paints is going to grow further from here. But Indigo Paints has the capacity to reach at the same level where Asian Paint is there today. Okay. So, Indigo Paints ROC is 23%, ROE 17.5%. Promoters are 53.9% holding, and the best part is there is no debt. Almost zero, just 2% debt, which means they're expanding using their own company's profits and not taking any loan. If you see the P&L statement, their sales have risen drastically from 47 crores in 2013 to 1276 in the last trailing 12 months. And the net profit has risen from 1 crores in 2013 to 149 crores in March 2024. This is a jump of 149% growth. Okay. In the balance sheet, you can see the reserves have increased continuously to 905 crores. So the company's money is 905 crores and 48 crores. Borrowing is just 20 crores. Fixed assets, they have reached till now 570 crores as compared to 5 crores, just 5 crores in 2013. CWIP, as we have already discussed, they are expanding their 2 new manufacturing unit plants. So that is under construction. Let's see the shareholding pattern. Promoters are holding 53.93% of the company. FIIs have increased their stake from 7.73% in March 2024 to 12.41% in March 2025. Whereas DIs have increased their stake from 1.77% in December 2023 to 16.74% in March 2025. Okay, if we go through the company's PPT, here it is. So hey, this is the financial snapshot for the last 5 years. The sales have drastically increased by 20% in the last 5 years. Profit after tax, PAT, has increased by 32.82%, and the EBITDA has increased by 27.2%. They are expanding their network distribution. This is the future growth drivers. Product innovation, develop differentiated products to grow market share. Geographic expansion, grow in Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Capacity augmentation, expand in the existing strategic locations. Brand and marketing focus. Expansion into agencies, expand into non-decorative segments, foray into agencies like construction, chemicals, and waterproofing. So this is the expansion plan. They already have 3 plants in South India and 2 plants in North India, and 2 plants are under construction in Jodhpur. They spend heavily on the branding, as you can see here. Now, they have acquired their 51% stake in Apple Chemi, which is into the business of construction chemicals and waterproofing segment. And it's the first construction chemical manufacturer to get accreditation from NABL. Okay, so if we go to the chart, the current market price is 68, almost 70% down from its lifetime high, 68.8%. Okay, and this is the first resistance, 1710. So we can consider this as the first target, and from the current price, this is almost 66% gain. The second target would be this second resistance, which is around 2700 price, and from the current price, this is almost 160% gain. And the third target would be the lifetime high price, and that is almost 218% gain. And it has a capacity to go beyond lifetime high price as well. Okay. Paint industry is growing, as well as the company's business is growing. Financials are good, numbers are great. Okay, technical chart pattern says that the stock is down by 70% and there holds a strong resistance. All these facts make Indigo Paints a great buying opportunity for long term. You can do your own research and analysis and accordingly take a call. I have presented you the facts for your knowledge purpose. Okay. If you have any doubts, any queries, please comment below. I'll try to answer those queries. And if you like this video and you want more such investing videos, do like and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. Thank you.